How to find and use PLR content to create stunningly popular products. If you're primarily selling your own offers through your newsletter and elsewhere, then you'll quickly realize that you need to create quite a few products. That's because hardly anyone builds a thriving business with just one product. In order to maximize your profits, you need to create a sales funnel with a variety of offers you can promote to your existing customers. Here's what a typical sales funnel might look like: a free lead magnet to bring people into your sales funnel, a low cost, high value tripwire offer to turn your prospects into cash paying customers, a high ticket core offer, upsell or cross sell offers, bonus products to offer alongside paid products, and a variety of back end products to sell to existing customers. And that's just one sales funnel. Now, it's time consuming to create all these products yourself, and it's expensive to outsource it. But fortunately, there's a way to create all these products that's both inexpensive and fast. Namely, you purchase PLR or product label rights content, quickly modify it to suit your needs, and you're ready to start taking orders. Sounds good? Then let's take a look at how to do this. Find PLR in your niche. The first step is to locate PLR content in your niche. You can do this by searching Google for your niche keywords, such as dog training, alongside the following types of words: PLR, PLR content, private label rights content, PLR ebooks, PLR articles, PLR reports, PLR courses, content licensing. For example, you might search for dog training PLR and dog training PLR ebooks without the quotes. Be sure to use multiple searches in order to get as many results as possible. Now, tip: you can also search for PLR in the clickbank.com marketplace. Again, search for your niche keywords alongside PLR and similar search terms. Next, do your due diligence. Now that you have a list of potential PLR offers to purchase, you need to do some research to determine which ones are a good fit for you. Ask yourself these questions. Is this a package of content? If you're looking to create an entire sales funnel, then look for PLR packages. That way, you can create your suite of offers quickly, and each product will be consistent in terms of writing style as well as the information it provides. Is the content well written and engaging? If the vendor doesn't provide a sample, be sure to ask for one from the package you're considering. Will the content need a lot of revision? Well, you do want to modify the content to make it unique, which we'll talk about in a few moments. You don't want to be rewriting every bit of it. As such, choose content that's so good you could use it right out of the box with minimal revisions. Now, what are the licensing terms? Next, check the PLR license to ensure you can use it for your intended purpose. Now, are there any limitations or requirements with regards to modifications? Can you both sell it and give it away? Are there any extras included? For example, does the package include things such as sales letters, web templates, emails to sell the content, and similar? If so, and if they look professional, this is a big plus when choosing PLR content. Now, based on the answers to these questions, you should be able to fairly easily select good content for your needs. Buy your chosen offer and then move on to the next step. Make it unique. Even though you've chosen content that's so good you can use it as is, it's a good idea to modify it to make it unique. This ensures that you have virtually no competition since no one will have a product exactly like yours. Check out these ideas for making the content unique. Rewrite pieces of the content. You can start by creating a fresh introduction and conclusion for each piece of content. You can also tweak the content to make it sound more like your writing voice. Delete unnecessary content. You might delete a paragraph here and there or entire large sections, such as a chapter of an ebook. Change the format. The idea here is to take content in one format and turn it into something else. For example, you can turn a PLR report into a video, or you can turn a set of PLR articles into a multi-part e-course. You can also simply pull excerpts out of larger pieces of content to create something unique. For example, you pull a couple chapters out of a PLR ebook and use it to create a short report that you use as a lead magnet. Next, compile multiple pieces of content. Another great way to create something entirely unique is to compile multiple pieces of PLR content. You can even add in your existing content, such as inserting some of your blog posts, lead magnets, or sections from other products. For example, you might create a course using a combination of your own existing content and PLR content by compiling a dozen articles, a report, and a couple excerpts from one or more ebooks. Insert your own unique bits of content. Finally, you can put the finishing touches on by inserting your own title and subtitle, examples, tips, stories, case studies, graphics. Now, few parting thoughts. Conclusion. As you just discovered, using PLR content is a great way to create one product or even an entire sales funnel. That's because it's cheaper than outsourcing and it's a whole lot faster than creating content from scratch. You could even outsource the PLR tweaks, which still keeps costs down while speeding the process up even further. Just be sure you start well written, engaging PLR content, which will make the process a whole lot easier.